camera's about to die. I love that. Oh, I'm wasting water. Hi guys, oh my god, I'm just gonna be cleaning my makeup brushes because I literally haven't cleaned them in like 3 months and that's kind of gross. I'm just gonna, like, I don't know, record it because I have no life. No, this is gonna be boring. I don't even know why I'm filming. So these are all my brushes. I'm just gonna be using this to wash them. So what I usually do is get the brush, I put some right here, I press it, and I honestly just like go like this on my hand, just like that. So then after, I just rinse it really good and then just sit it down. So I'm probably gonna like time lapse this or whatever because it's a lot. I just did some of them. This is how they look like. So I just finished cleaning my brushes. This is all of them. Oh, it's not even focused. Anyways, you guys get the idea. I'm gonna go get my sponges right now. And I'm also gonna clean this because this is like really dirty. Okay, so I got my beauty blenders. This is so satisfying. I literally love cleaning my beauty blenders. Trying to clean this. Isn't like brand new because there is like some stains, but I couldn't get them off. This one's like deformed already. There's still so much water and soap. Finished. Now I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna just get a baby wipe and wipe it. Nothing serious. It's like really dirty in here. The best is gonna get. Now I'm just gonna get like a random towel and just soak off all the water from here, and I'm gonna put them back in here so I can take them to my room and lay them out. I feel like I'm missing some brushes. So these are all of my clean brushes. I'm obviously not gonna leave them like that because they are still wet. I can take them to my room and I could, what is the term called? Lay them out. Just laid out all my brushes, let them dry. But that's pretty much it for how I clean my brushes. I thought that was gonna take longer, but it didn't. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!